Hey everybody, this is Complexity Crew, complexitycrew.com. Right here I'm just working on a track, and also I'm going to be making the hi-hats hit like 3 times per beat, or a little more frequently, so that this track has like a pretty good like swing to it, the rhythm and such things. And you can see how I do it. I'll jump in if I have to explain what I'm doing, but for now I'll let you guys watch. So here I'm just making the volume envelope for the hi-hat better, then tuning the hi-hat so that it's on the same frequencies. Then I add an orchestra crash right here, and I'm just tuning that one and making the volume envelope more natural sounding. And yeah, so if you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe. But now we're gonna work on a melody or something, or maybe a little bit more rhythm and then the melody. Here I'm just making sure all the automation sounds good or different, so it progresses instead of stays the same. Then I'm gonna reroute a few things on the mixer channels. I'm actually changing the hi-hat, and yeah, I'll let you guys listen to the finished track now, or what I finished. I also added an open hi-hat right here, so yeah, enjoy. For anyone who wants updates, check complexitycrew.com. Thanks.